5 huge benefits ng papaya seeds.
Number 1, protect the kidney.
C. Alam nyo ba na ang papaya ay nakaka-protect o nakakapag... Ano ba yung protect sa Tagalog? Maraming problema sa Pilipinas ngayon, kaya po dumami ang dialysis center. Dahil napakaraming Filipinos ang nagme-maintain ng synthetic medication. True? At dahil may maintenance ka, yung side effect nun, makakasira kay kidney. So how can we protect kidney from acquiring such diseases as chronic kidney disease or renal failure or kidney failure? You can eat 7 seeds ng papaya, ngunguyain mo yon for 7 days. So araw-araw 7 buto ngunguyain. Pero malaki maitutulong niya kay kidney. Okay ba yon? Yung mga
Manginginom.
yung mahilig mag-inom,
The drinkers.
kung gusto nyong matanggal